Okay, ladies and gentlemen, to get access to the textbook online, you're going to open up a Chrome page and you're going to type in webassign.net. Make sure you spell assign correctly. Hit enter. And when you get to this page, you need to click enter a class key. And when you get here, there's a place for you to enter in your class key. And what is your class key? Well, let's change that up a little bit. Your class key is nampa.id space 5264 space 2385. When you type that in, it's going to ask you to create an account. If you were if you had an account last year, I know all of my college algebra trig kids did. You can just use that same account from last year and just update what book you were using. I hope this works. If not, I will be checking in with you as soon as I can. Also, if you need help, just give me a email. Anderson@nsd131.org. Thank you.